Today we're off to Swindon to the Mega Motorcycle Warehouse explosive sale. Now, I had a pretty spicy pizza last night from Francomanca. I've got to be honest with you, it's not the first explosive thing that's happened this morning. Mega Motorcycle Store. Their marketing's obviously worked. Shit ton of people here. Would you look at that? Offer a free bacon sandwich and get 500 people turn it. So head inside and you're presented with tables and tables full of brilliant bargains to rifle through. Gloves, helmets, boots, jeans, leathers, you name it. Everything's there. Thank you. £50 quid. So head inside to the main store, and it's pretty difficult to get in through the door. There are just heaps of people here, and I don't blame them. Nice. Mega. Now you do have the discounted marquee outside where all the kind of bins are and tables full of real discount stuff, but inside all of their stock is discounted as well, and this is where I found my Dainese York Airs. Now it's time to get back on the bikes and head home. So as you can see, we had a little blast out down to the Mega Motorcycle Store down in Swindon, and the reason we went out today was to check out the explosive sale that they were having in their warehouse. Now they do this twice a year, once in October and once in April, so definitely check it out when it's going on. I'm going to talk you through all the kit that I got and the savings that I made, because I think actually I've saved a really good amount of cash and I was really happy with it. So I'll start off with the WD-40 motorcycle chain cleaner and motorcycle chain wax. £9.49 a can in the stores and £11.49 a can RRP. These were 2 for a £5, so if I'd have bought these full price it would have been around 40 quid. Managed to get these for a tenner for 4, so I was really happy with that. Second item were these Oxford Signal 6s. They are indicators that are going to replace my pretty standard indicators on the Street Triple. They tend to fog up a lot and they're just bulbs that tend to blow, and I just want to get myself some nice clean LEDs. These retail at $34.99. They were a £5 each, so I saved myself about 60 quid on these and got them, both sets just for a tenner. Really happy with the Oxford Mondial gloves that I've bought. They match the outfit that I've got, so really keen to complete the set with these Oxford Mondial gloves. These retail at £99, and I managed to get these for just 20 quid on the day, so I was really happy with those. Can get them in various other sales for about 60 quid, but that's the cheapest I've seen them, and I was really happy with that deal. Probably the thing I'm most excited about are these Dainese York Air boots. Now I've had my eye on these for a little while, and I thought they were really expensive at 180 quid. Managed to get them in the sale today for just £99, so 81 quid off in total, which I thought was a really good deal. Now I have seen these in other sales for £130, so shop around, but if you check out the Mega Motorcycle Store website, they're still doing these at just 99 quid, which is the cheapest I've found them anywhere. So I'm really happy with the deals that I managed to get today. So in total, all those items would have cost me £391.75. I managed to get all of that kit for just £139, saving me a total of £252.75. Now I'd recommend, if you want to grab yourself some bargains next year, as I say, they do these sales in April and October. Head down to Swindon, go to the Mega Motorcycle Store, and you could get some really cracking deals like I did today. Now, if you're new to the channel and this is the first video you've watched, thanks for sticking it out to the end. Please do consider subscribing and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. As always, if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments box below and I'll make sure I answer all of your questions. I'm a small channel, so I've got the time to do all of that. Again, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.